Hey, so if you want to fully master HubSpot CRM in 2026 and use it confidently for sales, marketing, and customer management, this complete guide will walk you through the core system step by step. First, open your browser and go to HubSpot. Log in using your HubSpot email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, everything in HubSpot starts from the CRM, so understanding this foundation is key. Begin with contacts. This is where all leads and customers live. Learn to create contacts, use properties, lifecycle stages, and filters. Keeping contact data clean and organized makes every other tool work better. Next, move to deals. Deals help you track revenue and sales progress. Create deals, customize pipelines, update deal stages, and always keep values and close dates accurate. This gives you a clear view of your business growth. Now focus on tasks and activities. Tasks keep you and your team organized. Log emails, calls, meetings, and notes so every interaction is tracked automatically. Yeah, this saves a lot of manual effort. After that, explore automation. Use workflows to automate follow-ups, task creation, lead nurturing, and updates. Automation is what takes HubSpot from basic CRM to a powerful system. Then learn email and communication tools. Track email opens, clicks, and replies. Use templates and sequences to communicate faster while staying personal. Don't ignore reports and dashboards. These show what's working and what's not. Monitor sales performance, activity levels, and conversions to make better decisions. As you grow, integrate HubSpot with tools like Gmail, Google Sheets, and your website. Integrations keep data synced and workflows smooth. Finally, build a habit of reviewing your CRM daily. Update records, check tasks, and review reports. Consistency is what truly masters HubSpot, and that's it. By understanding contacts, deals, tasks, automation, communication, and reporting, you can completely master HubSpot CRM in 2026. If this guide helped, hit the like button, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.